Talent Search Cymru is back.
Congratulations to all you all straight through to the quarterfinals next week, alright? So that is the first announcement. We've got your songs that you're singing. We've picked your songs, alright? Now, some of you might be like, oh, don't know if I don't know what and stuff. The whole point of it is that you take this song tonight and you get to work. You've got to work to perfect this. We've picked these songs in terms of what we would like to see, what we think you're capable of as individuals, and everything like that. We've all had a chat, we've gone back and forth songs in the break and whatever, but these are the official tracks that we're going to want to see you all do this week. It is a challenge, but we believe you can all pull it off. Are you ready for this? Everyone ready for the songs they're going to be singing next week? Alright guys, here we go. So we're going to add a little bit of flavour to this because I think we haven't got a result happening, but we still want a little bit of drama going on, so I had to do it. So we're going to come to Katie Vibes first. The song that's been picked for you is a song that's sung by an artist called Becky Hill. But the song is False Alarm. And we would like to hear you do it acoustically. Alright, so that's the song we want to see you do next week. Right, round of applause, guys. False Alarm, acoustic, guys, make it unique, make it stand out. Kel, the vocal on this, we think will push you and do what justice for what you can do as a singer. But also, I'd be very intrigued to see how you put a rap into this, Daryl. I got no doubt you'll be able to do it. But that's going to be interesting because I've never heard that song with a rap on it. So this could be really, really something special, right? So just put your own spin to it and do what you can do, right, for next week. Round of applause, guys. All right. We're going to come to Lily. Lily, the song that's been selected for you, a couple of different ideas, but the song we'd like to hear you do is a song that isn't originally country. It's more commercial pop. But we think you can put your own little twang into it. And I think you'll be happy with this choice too. The choice that you're going to be singing in the quarterfinals next week is This by Megan McKenna. Alright, you happy with that one? Good stuff. A round of applause for Lily, guys. Alright then. So, Aaron, we're going to come to Aaron. Now, Aaron, this is not going to be what you would have expected to do, right? Just so you know in advance. Now, this is a song that's been in my head over the last couple of weeks. I've been trying to push somebody to do it, but when we actually had to listen to the track up there, we was all like, "Oh wait, there, Aaron could do something really unique with this." So it's nothing like you've done so far in the competition. It's more of a commercial pop one, all right? But it is a song called No Roots by Alice Merton. Have you heard of what's that? You need to listen to it. It's a great song. I got no roots. Aaron, you can have a lot of fun with this one, but you can still show off your voice with it too. Alright, so that's your choice for the quarterfinals. Round of applause, guys. Alright then, so we'll come to Cymru next. Here we go, here comes the challenge. You ready, Cam? Cameron, the song that you will be singing in next week's quarterfinals. Because he can't change it, no, none of you can change your songs. The song you're going to be singing is by Benson Boone, In the Stars. That's why you'll be singing this week, alright? You know the song. You happy with that choice? It's a little bit more pushy on your voice, but that's what it's about. Up here, you know? Right, round of applause for Cameron, guys. God, your family seems happy with that choice. But you all know the song then? Yes! Oh, do you think it'll suit him? Good, that's it. As long as we're on the same wavelength, that's it. Alright, guys. So, the final choice. Are you ready, Tia? I don't know why, because this song is perfect for you. And I've been saying it all week. song that you were going to be singing in the quarterfinals is...
Get it right, isn't it?
I don't need to say it on.
Get it right.
There it is. Get it right from Lee. So Tia, yeah, you will be performing Get It Right by Glee. This is a belty song.
I know.
There is a huge note at the end of it. It's going to take a lot of breathing, a lot of connecting. But we believe you can push yourself with it. Alright, so this is dedication now this week on this song. That is your song choice. So guys, round of applause for them all. That is the songs for the quarterfinals. We can announce we've got a lot of guests coming next week, alright? As we usually do in town such Cymru fashion, when it comes down to the final few weeks, we have lots and lots of guests, alright? So as you can see, this is 5 performances, 1 from each of you, and we're going to have a pile of guests, and then we are going to make our result. We're not going to announce what's happening, because I've discussed with the girls, should we lose 1? Should we lose 2? Should we only take 2 to the final? All of this has been gone into play. We ain't letting you know. We're going to just wait, alright? And what happens on Sunday, then happens on Sunday. So you don't know if 1 person's going, 2 people, whatever. So, alright? We're just going to leave you all wait. What you need to do is come out and own these songs like they're your songs. Alright, guys? Round of applause from all guys, our quarterfinalists. Well done, guys.
Apply now at www.musicwales.org.